Hi everyone, I'm Gabriela Fernandez, and today I will be explaining the Rocket Fuel case for my marketing management problems class. Rocket Fuel is a digital marketing agency that was approached by Tuscabella to run a trial campaign for a newly released handbag model. Tuscabella was already an officially established brand, therefore they needed to find out if their services that Rocket Fuel performed were actually profitable for their brand. So here is the data that we're giving. Each participant had a user ID, and then these were all the categories. So total impressions, whether it was performed through the test or they saw the advertisement. So over here you can scroll down and you can see that they were not, some user IDs were not exposed to an advertisement. The hours of the day, the conversion. Some people converted and made that a sale. Some people didn't most of the time. Yeah, most of these you can already tell that they didn't, but you have some conversions over here. And then the test description, whether it was through the advertisement or through the control groups. Over here, the day of the week description. So you have the 7 days of the week. And of course convert the description and then the converted bin. So for my first visual, just click out of that. Alright, so I had to click out of the data set, and this is my first visual, which is very simple. And over here I'm just showing the whether or not they were converted. So no conversion and yes conversion. And over here the total impressions of the unconverted and the ones that were converted. Okay, so this is my third visual, and over here I am most interested in the impressions per day. So total impressions over here in the y-axis, and then the day of the week in the x-axis. So we can see the total of impressions for each day, and I also included the total conversion for that day as well. So I kind of wanted to see the ratio between the total number of impressions and also how many people converted. So the day that had the most impressions for 207,287 only had a conversion of 80. Whereas, for example, days with not that many impressions like Tuesday, but they had more conversions than Friday. I guess that was a very interesting aspect of the data, that it could be used to then better the way that the advertisements and the campaign interacts with potential customers. Alright, so my fourth visual, in this one I wanted to focus on the differences between the control groups and the test. So people that were actually exposed to an advertisement and people that were under the control groups. And over here we can easily perceive how the people that were exposed to the advertisement were doing more impressions than the ones exposed to the control group, and then we can see the ones that converted and the ones that converted over here, and then the ones that didn't convert. So the good thing about Tableau is like it lets you exclude and include, or focus on a specific target depending on what information you want to extract and for what end. So I think it was kind of interesting how with this it was very easy to see how the people that were exposed to the advertisement had more impressions than the control groups. And we can also see the major difference between the ones that converted and the ones that did not convert. I also created an overview dashboard to interrelate most of my visuals. So over here we have the yes to no ratios, and if I click here I can also obtain only the information. I forgot to mention in earlier when I was explaining this visual that this was a huge huge visual for the rest of how I developed my presentation. Over here we can see that most of the people were not converted. There was only very slight piece of the pie that actually converted. And then, you know, you have like different filters over here that could, if you only wanted to analyze the yeses, then you can filter by the yeses, and vice versa. If you want to analyze it by the no's, and you can filter in here. And then this is a very interactive, very cool interactive feature. Also, you have this filters over here if you only wanted to analyze on Monday, or, you know, Sundays, or whichever day. You can see the weakest points of each day if you wanted to analyze that as well. So I think this dashboard is a very comprehensive, and it allows you to play around with the data and realize of, you know, the important information. Overall, I think that the advertisements were better than the control groups. However, I did not think that they had they didn't achieve the goal that they were that maybe Toscabella was expecting, as they weren't a lot of conversions. But I hope that you guys have liked the video, and I had a lot of fun creating this video. Thank you so much, and have a great day.